The Taos hum is a persistent low-frequency sound reported by residents in New Mexico, puzzling scientists and travelers alike. Some attribute it to natural geophysical sources, while others speculate hidden infrastructure or atmospheric phenomena behind the quiet roar. Researchers have conducted surveys, comparing reports, frequencies, and environmental data to separate rumor from evidence. The best current explanation points to a combination of everyday noises amplified by sensitivity and local acoustics, rather than a single conspiracy. Viewers are encouraged to weigh first-hand accounts against scientific testing to decide what they believe about this elusive hum.